Hi everybody, welcome to new tutorial. Today's tutorial I will show you about landscape. What is landscape in Unreal Engine? How we can use all function of landscape. So first of all, go to File, create a basic level. We want to create a landscape in a new level. So that's what we got. Now in from selected mode, go to landscape. You can see there is a function called landscape. So if you go function here, it will show like that. Also you can go to the landscape function shift 2. So I press shift 2 and I am now in landscape mode. So there is a lot of option, but that is we cannot use that option. So from here we can select the material, create new. We can change the location on x-axis, u-axis and z-axis. We can rotate x, y and z-axis. We can scale it as x, y and z axis. We can selection size. We can selection per column. We can add number per component. Overall resolution. Here you can see number per component. And if we press fill world, it will go to the maximum size. So less the number of component size. We can also import the landscape. I will show you it in next tutorial. So create a landscape. So this is our landscape. You can see I'm going to the close, and if I press Alt F, Alt P, then I can play. So this is the landscape. This is our landscape. There is no material. There is no uh, landscape view. Whatever you want to show. So go to the manage, and if we go to the new again, we can see we can create a new landscape. We can import a new landscape. We can select per component like that. We can change the location, change the rotation, change the scale, change the material, and there is a lot of other option also. We can add a new landscape. We can select new landscape. We can delete it. If we select the delete and press mouse left button, all of the function will be component will be deleted. We can add, we can move, we can resize, we can use spines tool. So select the spines tool, alter and mouse left button, control and mouse left button. So you can make like that. Basically roads, rivers created like that. This way it is easy. Most of the road and river create like that. It's very useful tool in Unreal Engine. Please be check it. So this is the road. You can see if you add a road mesh here, it will look like that using a spines tool. So select one of it and select a segment, so it will select all. Now we can add a spline mesh. So we can add any mesh, and if we add like arrow, you will see like this, it will show like this. And if we use bots now, it will look like a road almost. We can change the material color, we can change the mesh. Now I want to add a cube. Here it is. And I want to add a material. I want to add a brick material. Here is the brick material. Here is the segment. We can select all segment and delete, but it's not a perfect way to delete. If we select control, then it will select all control and we can delete it all. So control, delete. Now all SP line is deleted. So now we come to the sculpt function. If we select the sculpt and all thing is default and we press mouse left button, it will sculpt like this. It will sculpt like this. You can add more strength. You can see now the strength of my brush, sculpt brush. We can also change the brush type. We can choose this type of brush. We can select this brush. Now we can increase and decrease the brush size, brush fall off. If we upper the fall off, if we make it 0, you can see the changes. So please change the option and make your own landscape. I'm just showing it to you. So there is a smooth, made the brush size highest. Now if you smooth, you can see what the smooth brush is doing. We can make up the strength full. There is other option, brush fallout, brush size. We saw this before. So now we can flat it. A flat function will make all the height is similar like that, and if I drag it, all the landscape will look like this. There is also brush type, there is also brush fall off. Now ramp function, make 2 and make it upper, and if you add ramp, you can see what the ramp can do. We can change the location and add ramp still, and you can see what it can do. Add ramp, it's the lower. Now add ramp, yes. So also we can make changes of ramp width, ramp fall off. You can see how much width it is. Now we can add erosion. Erosion is the ground, like when it's raining, when ground have natural look. We can change brush size and make like that. You can see what the change it can do. Hydro, when rainfall effect on the ground, it give that effect. We can add noise. You can see the noise power. So there is a visibility, mirror, selection, copy. There is a lot of function. Please be check all of the function and make your own landscape. There is a paint effect. We can paint the landscape when we use any material. There is a smooth, flatten, noise painting. I will show you this in next tutorial. Uh, but this tutorial I will not show about the material. So there is a make all the landscape flatter, so it look like better. So this is for today's tutorial. I'll see you in next tutorial.